Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are unraveling the complexities of revenue recognition in contracts. This is essential knowledge for anyone in the field, so let's dive right in. In the world of contracts, recognizing revenue follows a structured 5-step model. Let's take a closer look at each step to unravel the mystery behind it. Step 1. Identifying the contract. Imagine a contract as a legally binding roadmap. It's not just any agreement, it's one that's been approved, holds commercial value, and clearly defines what each party is obligated to. Without meeting these criteria, revenue recognition hits a roadblock. Step 2. Identifying performance obligations. Within a contract, there are promises made that involve transferring goods or services. But not just any promises, these are distinct, meaning the customer can benefit from them independently. Step 3. Determining the transaction price. Now, this is where things get interesting. We're talking about the actual price tag. But it's not just the face value, it's adjusted for discounts, time value of money, and any variable considerations. Ensuring fairness and accuracy in this step is crucial. Step 4. Allocating the transaction price. Think of this step as divvying up the bill after a satisfying meal. The transaction price needs to be fairly split among all the promises made in the contract. Standalone selling prices play a significant role here, ensuring everyone gets their fair share. Step 5. Recognizing revenue. This is the grand finale where the fruits of the contract are harvested. Revenue is recognized when control of goods or services is transferred to the customer. Whether it happens gradually over time or at a specific moment, recognizing revenue signifies the successful completion of a contract. Lastly, let's take a look at balance sheet presentation. Contract liabilities represent obligations. On the flip side, contract assets are like tickets waiting to be cashed in, representing the rights to consideration for services already performed. It's essential to keep these separate for transparent financial reporting. Let's break down the 5-step model using software sales contract as an example. Imagine a software company, Tech Solutions, enters into a contract with a business, ABC Corporation, to provide them with a customer relationship management software. The contract is approved by both parties, holds commercial substance, and clearly outlines the software's features, implementation details, and payment terms. In this contract, Tech Solutions promises to deliver 3 distinct services: the CRM software, a 1-day on-site training session, and 1 year of technical support. Each of these promises represents a separate performance obligation as they are distinct and have value on their own. The total transaction price agreed upon in the contract is $50,000. However, Tech Solutions offers a $5,000 discount if ABC Corporation pays up front. Considering this discount, the transaction price becomes $45,000. Tech Solutions needs to allocate the transaction price to each performance obligation. First, you need to determine the standalone selling prices of each performance obligation. This can be challenging if the contract doesn't specify individual prices. In this example, let's assume that the standalone selling price for the software is $40,000, training session $3,000, and technical support $7,000. Next step is to allocate the total transaction price among the performance obligations based on their standalone selling prices. Allocation of the total price among the performance obligations is achieved by distributing it proportionally based on the relative value of each obligation. The final step is to recognize revenue. Revenue recognized over time for the CRM software, at a specific point in time for the training session, and over time for technical support based on patterns of usage. By following these steps, Tech Solutions ensures accurate revenue recognition, reflecting the value delivered to ABC Corporation over the course of the contract. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on accounting and finance topics.